release of the Air Jordan 1 Low RM, a modified model that adds a fresh take on the classic silhouette, is Jordan Brand's way of embracing aggressive branding for fall 2025. An incredibly big swoosh that fills the side profile of the next RM version takes things to the next level, even if previous editions have experimented with larger swooshes. Two grade school colorways, a more delicate white and pink foam version and a classic black and white option, have surfaced prior to launch. Full leather uppers, mesh tongues, and the main attraction, an oversized swoosh emblem that reaches deep into the heel, are features of both pairs. Traditional Jumpman branding at the tongue and heel grounds the otherwise avant-garde style. It is anticipated that the Air Jordan 1 Low RM will retail for $110 in grade school sizing, with adult sizing to follow.